So here's this charger, HTRC C240 Duo, and it has a fan and it's pretty noisy. It might scare you even. Okay, so remove those small legs and there's a screw. Remove those screws from the four corners. Tiny screw. So here's the fan. This is the noisy part that is inside. It's pretty massive. So let's unplug this fan. There's nothing written on it. Nothing. Let's try to place a 5-volt regulator in line with this wire. So here's the setup. That's the power source, a red and a black. That red and black enters into the left and center pin, and the output to the motor is on the center and right pin. So the middle one is common. The minus is common. Power enters on the left leg and power exits on the right leg of this regulator. Here is the regulator. You can see it better on this one. It's a 5-volt regulator, L7805CV3. So 05, that's important. It's a 5-volt regulator. Now it's heat shrink. Now let's try to plug it in. This is protected so it can float around inside. The small fan, judging by the shape of these blades, it should turn to the left and thus it will push the air that way. So I should place it with the sticker outside. Let's put in just one screw and see if it works or not. I heard a very slow fan turning. It's much more silent. Let's see if it's cooling it well enough. That's a 4 cell, that's a 3 cell. It detected it correctly. 4 cells, 2 amps. So let's see and wait. It is blowing the air, but it's much less powerful. It's definitely coming out, I can feel it. And it stopped. And it started again. The air is pretty cold, it's not warm. Now that's silent. That voltage regulator will heat up if this fan is powered for a long time. So around 5 minutes passed and the fan is continuously turning. The air is just a tiny amount warmer, it's not overheating. So let's stop it and let's check. The fan stopped. Let's check the temperature of that voltage regulator. So disconnect. Oops, now that's a bad idea. If those two will touch, then you will get a short circuit. Or better disconnect this one. Almost nothing, just a tiny amount of heat. Or we can try it this way. Leave it out here. Now the fan started. Now I can manually check the temperature. Nothing dangerous. It's getting a little bit warm. After 11 minutes of charging, the temperature of this one is not hot, is slightly warm. So I think it's okay. After 22 minutes, the fan stopped. Just a little bit warm. The fan is not spinning. Pretty silent. That's weird. Oh, it just started. I thought it's burnt out, but no, it's working. And one battery is full, nothing, no heat